of a seed very deep sod, a little plant lay folded. Quakes at the sun and creep to the wine. Quakes at the voice of the raindrops. The little plant heard and it rose to see what a wonderful outside world might be. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Plant Palace. We are going to introduce you to our green friends. All these plants are our friends. We have great learning experience with plants in our school garden. We made friendship with plants. We discovered some wonderful things in our school garden. From beautiful flowers and plants to colorful birds and butterflies, we, the students from grade 1 to 4, would like to share our experiences of exploring plants, their paths, their juices and growth. Here we go with a plant. Thank you, sir.
Absorbs water, discusses it to swell. The seedling breaks through the seed coat and grows out. The seedling begins to sprout a tiny root which grows downwards into the soil. The seedling begins to sprout a tiny shoot which grows upwards, filling the cotyledons along with it. The root and shoot grow longer. The cotyledons supply food for the growing plant. As the plant grows bigger, the cotyledons supply starts shrinking. Finally, once the leaves of the young plant are formed, the cotyledons supply food, shrink further and disappear completely. Thank you. The seed absorbs water. This causes it to swell. The seedling breaks through the seed coat and grows out. The seedling begins to sprout a tiny root which grows downwards into the soil. Next, the seedling sprouts a tiny shoot which grows upwards, pulling the cotyledons along with it. The root and the shoot grow longer. The cotyledons supply food for the growing plant. As the plant grows bigger, the cotyledons start shrinking. Finally, once the leaf of the young plant are formed, the cotyledons shrink further and disappear completely. Thank you, sir.
Sir, would you please tell me what does a seed do for a plant?
You know, we eat the seeds of plants such as corn, rice, beans, and wheat. These seeds are known as edible seeds. Some edible seeds such as black pepper, mustard, fenugreek, and cumin are used as spices. They add the flavors to the food we eat. The process by which seeds spot and become eggplant is called germination. My friend will continue.
Most of the plants store their food in different parts of the plant, like leaves, stem, flowers, seeds, etc. They can be consumed by the animals. They are called edible parts of the plant. Examples: radish, carrot, beetroot, stem, onion, potato, leaves, Spanish, etc. Flowers, fruits, brinjal, etc. Flowers, cauliflower. Thank you for listening. Good morning, sir. Do you know what is a plant? Plants are living things. They are made up of different parts. They need air, water, soil, and sunlight to live. We humans have different body parts. Don't they help us in many ways? For example, our eyes help us to see, our nose help us to breathe, our legs help us to walk. In the same way, the parts of a plant also help it in different ways. For example, roots absorb water. Stem help it to stand straight. Thank you. Roots, stem, leaf, flowers, and this. Sir, please can you arrange these cards and identify different parts of a plant? Thank you. Hi sir, here we talk about how the different parts of plant function. Roots. Let's start with how plants take water. It's very simple for me. I drink it but plants cannot. It was amazing to learn how the plant supplies water to its different parts. We have learned experience it through this experiment. We have taken some plants, 2 glasses are filled with water and little food color to one of these glasses. We added food color and left alone the other one. We placed one each plant in these glasses. We recorded our observation the next day. I wanted to see the stem of the plant placed in colored. The glass turned colored while no change is observed in the other one. From this experiment, we learned that roots absorb water and supply to the other parts of the plant. Thank you.
Sir, I am telling about root systems. There are 2 main types of root systems. There are taproot system, fiber root system. Taproot system. Plants with a taproot system have one main root growing downwards from the end of the stem into the soil.
Several smaller roots branch out from this main root. Examples: mango tree, neem tree, fibrous root system. Plants with a fibrous root system have a number of roots spreading from the end of the stem into the soil. Examples: aloe vera, grass. Thank you.
Hi, sir. As I stand on my feet, plant stands tall from on stem. The stem supports the plant and its different parts. It carries food and water to all parts of the plant. Over to my senior. Thank you, everyone. Hi, sir. As I stand on my feet, plant stands tall from on stem. The stem supports the plant and its different parts. It carries food and water to all parts of the plant. Over to my senior. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, sir. I'm Ragasudha. I'm from grade 3. My topic is about types of plants. We have collected many plants here. We see many plants around us. They are of varying shape and sizes. Some grow on land and some in water. Do you know what is the study of plants? The study of plants is called botany. To study more about the plants, plants are broadly divided into many ways. According to the kinds of the stems, plants are divided into herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, and trees. Thank you.
Morning, sir. Please touch this stem. How is it, sir? Soft or hard? Yes, sir. It is soft. Plants which have soft and delicate and tender stems, they are short, are called herbs. They are short. They can survive for 2 to 5 months. There are many varieties of herbs present in our nature. Some are used in cooking. Some have medicinal properties. Some are used in cosmetic industry. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. These are shrubs. How are the stems of these plants? They are thin and woody. Plants which have thin and woody stems with equal sized branches arising from the just above the soil are called shrubs. They are bigger than a herb, smaller than a tree. They grow bushy because their branches are grown just above the soil. Shrubs are seasonal. They live for 5 to 7 years. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. How are the stems of this plant? Are they weak or strong? Yeah, they have weak stems. Plants which have weak stems that they cannot hold up the weight of the plant are called climbers. It needs support of other objects like wooden stick or wall to grow upwards. Example, grapevine, money plant. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am telling about creepers. These plants are also have weak stems, but they grow along the ground. They are called creepers. They have special roots, then grow from the stem to help anchor them to the ground. Creepers have big and heavy fruits. That is the reason they cannot grow erect. Example, watermelon, pumpkin. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Ashri. I am studying in grade 3. Now I am telling about trees. Trees are living beings, just like people and animals. Trees are hug and tall plants. They have strong single woody stem called trunk. They live for many years. Trees make every place look beautiful. They give oxygen and take away carbon dioxide. They provide us with shade on hot sunny days. Trees are our best friends. Thank you, sir.
Hi, I'm telling about leaf. This is a leaf. It is lovely green leaf. Cool. It makes food for the plants. The leaves help the plants to prepare food with the help of air and water in the presence of sunlight. As my mom cooks food for entire family, leaves make food for entire plant. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue.
Hi, next part of plant is leaf. Lovely green leaf, full green leaf. It makes food for the plants. The leaves help the plant prepare with the help of air and water in the presence of sunlight. As my mom cooks food for the entire family, please make food for the entire plant. Over to Miss.
Hi, my dear friend. Would you tell whether all leaves have same parts?
Yes, all leaves have same parts.
Or all leaves have same color?
Yes, all.
Do all leaves have same shape?
No, all leaves are not in same shape. They are in different shapes.
Yes, dear, you're right. Leaves are in different shapes and sizes. Many plants have leaves that are in green in color. Next, my friend will continue about different parts of a leaf.
The other day I was strolling throughout the Indus ground, got curious observing the various leaves on each and every plant. When I inquired about the leaves, my mom made me understand how leaves are a vital role in making food for the plants. Let's learn about leaf and its parts. Each leaf has veins, midrib, leaf stalk, leaf blade and lamina. This is a leaf. A leaf has many veins. They are thin, narrow tube-like structures branching throughout the leaves. This is a leaf blade. A leaf blade is broad, flat surface of a leaf. These parts of a leaf is also called midrib. Midrib is also called central vein. It supports leaf blade and it gives rise to veins. This is a leaf stalk. A leaf stalk attaches to the leaf to the stem. Its structure is also thin. Thank you.
Stomata. The underside of the leaf contains millions of tiny arthropods called stomata. The stomata is not visible to the naked eyes. The main function of the stomata is to take and give out air. Plants use a gas called oxygen. Give out